Christmas, y'all. I'm Brooke.
And I'm Gracie. Welcome back to the BG Sisters. Today we are going to be making peanut butter blossoms, I think that's what they're called, right? Or peanut butter cookie with a Hershey Kiss on top.
So, just, obviously if you're allergic to peanut butter, don't make these because they're peanut butter cookies. So,
But they're so yummy.
before we get started, make sure to click the subscribe button down below.
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Big thumbs up.
And hit the notification bell in the corner.
So you get notified whenever we post a new video. So now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the cookies. What are the ingredients?
Cookies! Our first ingredient is 48 Hershey Kisses.
48. Half a cup of shortening.
Half a cup. 3/4 a cup of creamy peanut butter.
1/3 a cup of granulated sugar, plus a little extra to roll up your cookies in.
1/3 a cup of packed light brown sugar.
1 egg.
2 tablespoons, that's tablespoons, with a capital T, of milk.
2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
1/2 teaspoon of iodized salt.
Now your cookies are done. Wait a minute. That's not right.
Oh my gosh, I love those cookies!
I'll save them for you. Now, let's get on to the baking.
Unwrap all 48 of your chocolates!
Oh gosh, this is gonna take forever.
Welcome to the awesomest game ever!
This is the game where we see who can unwrap the most Hershey Kisses. So, 3, 2, 1, go!
We've got a challenge for you!
You gotta try to subscribe to this channel and 5, 4, 1. Subscribe!
Did you do it?
Comment in the comments down below. Did it? Question mark, question mark, question mark. So we know
Yeah!
you did the challenge. Thank you guys so much. Peace out. Now let's get back onto the video. We just finished. We have Team Green, which is Brooke. Me. And Team Orange, which is Gracie. Me. So we're gonna be weighing.
We just zeroed out the bowls that we use so that it only counts the Hershey Kisses.
So yeah, Brooke is first. We'll see. Hers weighs 7 7/8 of an ounce. I mean, of a pound.
7 ounces.
And
No, 7 ounces and 7/8 ounces.
Yeah. Okay. Now for Gracie's.
6 and 7/8. I got a whole other ounce than you.
Brooke won. Boo! Beat the peanut butter and shortening in a large bowl. sugars to the bowl. Add your eggs, milk, and vanilla.
Flour, salt, and baking sugar.
And baking sugar. And baking sugar. And baking sugar. And baking sugar.
In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, salt, and baking soda.
Yum! Add your floury mixture to your peanut butter mixture. Woo! Yum!
Take your dough and roll them into balls, about that big, and roll them in a bowl of sugar, and then place them on a cookie sheet, even like spread it out pretty good, and then take a glass like this and just press down just to flatten the cookie, but not all the way, just flatten it a little, and then plop them in the oven without the chocolate chips on. We put those on at the end, the Hershey Kisses. Or until lightly brown.
Previous come out of the oven, place a Hershey Kiss in the middle of them before they cool.
Just make sure.
Have a very